Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the exact email set on your Roblox account. This is crucial because codes go to that address. Once done, open your email in a browser to avoid app syncing delays and check spam or social folders. Make sure no forwarding or filters are moving messages away. Then, temporarily disable email rules and add at Roblox. COM to safe senders so future codes aren't blocked. This prevents common delivery problems before you trigger a new code. Now request a new two-step code from Roblox while using an incognito window or a different browser. This avoids cached session conflicts. If the email still doesn't arrive, clear cookies and cache or fully restart the browser so stored data can't interfere with the request. Make sure to disable extensions such as ad blockers, privacy, or script blockers because these can stop the verification request from reaching Roblox servers. Once you've tried this, request another code and watch your inbox closely. Finish by verifying there are no provider-side delays. Check your email provider's status and recent delivery logs if available. If needed, add a temporary alternate email to your Roblox account or check the same inbox on your phone's mail app to rule out PC-specific issues. Make sure to include timestamps and screenshots if you must contact Roblox support. That speeds resolution. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip. Wait 10 minutes between resend attempts to avoid throttling and then try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.